Hello guys, good morning. I hope you are okay. Today we have the topic future perfect tense and future continuous tense. Welcome to English class. First of all, I'm going to explain you future perfect tense. And what is the form? Using affirmative, negative, and interrogative form. In the future perfect, you say subject plus will plus have plus past participle and complement. For example, he will have done it by this evening. In negative, the structure is subject plus will plus not plus have plus past participle and complement. For example, he will not have done it by this evening. And interrogative form, remember, you change the order. In this case, you say will plus subject plus have plus past participle and complement. For example, will he have done it by this evening? Okay, so look at, be careful this chart and pay attention what is the structure in present perfect. So let's see this example. In affirmative, by next week we'll have earned lots of money. Second one, I will have prepared breakfast by the time the children wake up. Third, the raining have stopped by tomorrow. Fourth, they won't have been married by next year. And fifth, by the time I will have finished my homework. Okay, so look at the sentence and pay attention what is the structure. Okay, will plus have plus past participle and complement. Okay, in affirmative. So in negative forms, for example, you say he will not have deserved enough score by the summer. Number two, they will not have been married by next year. Number three, the rain will not have stopped by tomorrow. Number four, my mother will not have prepared breakfast by the time my father and brother wake up. Okay, so really be careful what is the structure. Okay, you say will plus not plus have plus past participle. Okay, and complement, of course. And this example using questions, sentences. Will he have finished his work by 5 o'clock? Number two, will they have sent an email until tomorrow? Number three, will people's lives have changed by 10 years? Number four, will we have arrived in China by the next week? And five, will the concert have started by 20 minutes? Okay, remember, if you have any question, change the order, okay? I mean, first of all, you put auxiliary verb, okay? Will plus have plus Past participle and complement. And don't forget it, of course, put the mark question. Okay. Future continuous. I'm going to explain you. What is the structure in affirmative, negative, and interrogative form? Affirmative. Subject plus will plus be plus verb in ing. Okay? Verb in ing, remember, is present participle. Okay? For example, I will be singing in the concert tomorrow. In negative form, you say subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb in ing. I mean present participle. For example, I will not be singing in the concert tomorrow. And a structure in interrogative form. Will plus subject plus be plus verb in ing and mark question. It's the same, present participle. Will you be singing in the concert tomorrow? Okay, let's see this is example using affirmative form. It will be raining at this time tomorrow. Number 2, he will be visiting his friends this time next week. Number 3, she will be watching TV. Number 4, this time tomorrow we will be working on our project. And number 5, they will be writing letter to each other. Okay, remember the structure is will plus be, subject plus will plus be plus verb in ing. Okay, we have example using negative sentences. He will not or won't be visiting his friends this time next week. Okay, it's possible you say will not or won't using contractions. Number 2, she will not or she won't be watching TV. Number 3, this time tomorrow, you will not or won't be working on our project. And number 4, they will not or won't be writing letter to each other. Okay? Remember, when you're speaking, you say won't. It's informal way. But if you write in something, or if you write formal letter, you say will not. Okay, what is the difference between will not and won't? Okay, number 1 is in formal letter, and number 2 is in formal form. Okay? And the last one, you have the sentence using an interrogative form. Will it be raining at this time tomorrow? Number 2, will he be visiting his friend this time next week? Number 3, this time tomorrow, will we be working our project? And the last one, will they be writing letter to each other? Okay, so look at, or don't forget it, change the order. In this case, you have will plus subject plus be plus verb in ing and mark question. Okay, so finally, what is the difference between future present and future continuous? So the future perfect describes an action that will end in the future, while the future continuous describes an action that will continue in the future. Okay, I repeat again. The future perfect describes an action that will end, while the future continuous describes an action that will continue. I suppose that you understand. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know for the next class. Don't forget it. The second part of the class, you have activity. Okay, so look at the bottle and just do it. Goodbye, see you next time.